In this video, you are going to see the battery drain test of Samsung Galaxy F15. This mobile comes with a 6000 mAh battery capacity. Let's see how much it dropped after 1 hour of continuous mixed usage to calculate the overall time for a single charge. Right now, the battery is at 72% and I'm not using any SIM card in this mobile, but I connected with Wi-Fi. Also, no background apps are running. The brightness is set to around 50 to 55% and the volume is set to 100%. I'm going to play a YouTube video for 15 minutes. Let's see after that how much the battery is dropped. According to me, this 6000 mAh battery lasts for more than a day. I'm guessing that, and if it is true, this is a good thing. In the final part of the video, I calculate the overall time this mobile gives for 100% charging, so we can understand better whether it is true or not. Coming to the display size, this is a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED with screen to body ratio of 87%. This screen is supported for a 90Hz refresh rate. Also, this is a flat screen. Personally, I like it. There are so many things that I need to share about this mobile in this video, but before that, we crossed the 15 minutes mark of continuous video playback. Let's see how much the battery is at. It's 69%. Only 3% dropped after continuous 15 minutes of video playback at 50 to 55% brightness with Wi-Fi connected and the volume at 100%. I'm going to continue this test. Now I'm going to record the video for few minutes. Let's see the battery percentage after that. This Samsung Galaxy F15 comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset. This is a 6nm build chipset. I already did a gaming review to check how this processor handles. You can check all the related videos of this mobile in the description box, the links. If you observe the other mobiles under the same price category or close to this price range, most of the mobiles doesn't comes with any AMOLED panels, but this mobile does. I think in future we can see the AMOLED panels below 10,000 rupees price range as well. Alright, we crossed 15 minutes mark of recording the video. Let's check the battery percentage. It's 66% now. 3% dropped in this test after 15 minutes. Now I'm going to use the Instagram for 10 minutes. Let's check the battery status after that. With this mobile, you can shoot a maximum of 1080p videos at 30 fps by using the back and front cameras. There is no 60 fps or 4K recording option in this one, which is like a big minus for those who record videos. I already posted a dedicated camera review of this mobile. You can check that video for more details. You know what to do, check the link in the description box. Alright, after 10 minutes of Instagram usage, the battery is at 65%. Only 1% it dropped. Up to now, the battery backup is pretty amazing. Now I'm going to use the Geekbench on this mobile to check the CPU and GPU scores. Let's see the results and the battery percentage after this. This battery drain test is like for extreme usage, guys. Maybe your usage pattern is different than this, which results in increase or decrease in the battery backup time. Also, one thing you need to note in terms of battery backup is there are so many factors that affect the battery backup of your mobile. It changes due to atmospheric temperature, the apps you are using, the brightness level you are currently using your mobile, the background running apps, and many more. These are the CPU scores of this mobile. Now I'm going to start the test of GPU as well. When it comes to battery backup, you can observe that it is not the same in every single smartphone, and you notice the differences from one person to another person. So just watch this video as a reference, not a confirmation. I hope you understand. Now we crossed the 1 hour mark, but I continued this test to check the GPU scores as well in this mobile. After 1 hour, the battery is at 63%. If we calculate for 1 hour how much it dropped, during the start of the test, the battery is at 72%, and now after 1 hour, it's 63%. If we subtract these two, we get 9%. That means for 1 hour, it consumed 9% of the battery. If I do a simple math to check the results, this is how it is. I multiplied this 9 with the number that gives the value close to 100. It's 11. 9 times 11 is equals to 99. Here 99 is the battery percentage and 11 is the time in hours. So overall from 1% to 100%, you will get in between 10 to 11 hours of screen on time if you use it like this. This is for continuous usage of mobile in these conditions. Also, one more term you need to check on your mobile is the standby time. Standby time and screen on time are like both opposite. If screen on time is more, the standby time decreases. If standby time is more, the screen on time decreases. So finally, the Samsung Galaxy F15 lasts for 10 to 11 hours of continuous usage, and I'm totally impressed with the battery backup. So now we can say that this mobile lasts for more than a day. Here are the GPU results as well for this F15 mobile. These are some more related videos of Samsung F15 mobile. You can check any of these videos to know more information. If in case you want more videos, don't forget to check the links in the description box. Don't forget to like this video to reach out to more people like you, and also it motivates me to make more videos and testing of different gadgets in future. Thank you so much in advance, and I'm waiting for you in these videos.